All right, question number 12, let's get right into it. So in the standard xy coordinate plane, the point 2, 1 is the midpoint of CD. Point C has coordinates 6, 8. What are the coordinates of point D? Okay, so we're going to have to use a little bit of conceptual reasoning here. Let me show you what I mean. So let's just start with the formula for midpoint, right? So midpoint is just going to be the average between 2 points. Does that make sense? So it's basically going to be x2 plus x1 divided by 2, and then it's going to be y2 plus y1 divided by 2. We're just finding the average between 2 points, okay? So what this means is that if they give us, let's see here, if this is the midpoint, that means that 2 has to equal all of this stuff here, x2 plus x1 divided by 2. And similarly, 1 has to equal y2 plus y1 over 2. And they give us a point here, so they give us 6, 8, and we can either make that x2 or x1. So I'm going to make the 6x2. So it's going to be 2 equals 6 plus x1 divided by 2. And let's go ahead and solve this out. So it's going to multiply both sides by 2. So I'm going to get 4 equals 6 plus x1. And I'm going to subtract off 6 from both sides. So I have that x1 equals negative 6. And then I'm going to do a similar thing here. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And I'm going to get 2 equals, and then again for this y2, I'm going to plug in 8. So it'll be 8 plus y1. I will subtract off the 8 here, subtract off the 8, and I will get that y1 equals, let's see here, negative 6. So let's see, did I do that right? Sorry, I did not. Sorry guys, x1, 4 minus 6, that should be negative 2. So we have x1 equals negative 2 and y1 equals negative 6. So therefore, if we write that in our coordinate form, it's going to be negative 2, negative 6, and that is going to be our answer, so it's going to be answer choice G. All right, guys, that's the answer. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I will see you in the next video.